subscribe to my channel Thaazpassion and press the bell icon to get instant notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today I am going to share a very easy typical South Indian snack. This is very easy to prepare and the taste is very yummy. This is potato bonda or aloo bonda. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. First, let's boil the potato by adding enough salt into it. Let's keep it for 1 to 2 whistles. Once it's boiled, let's mash the potato very well. You can mash the potato by using a masher or with your hand. Now let's prepare the stuffing for the aloo bonda. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil or any other normal sunflower oil. Once the oil gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Now goes in 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it well. Saute it till it turns into translucent. Now the onions have become translucent. At this time, let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now saute it well. Saute it till it becomes fragrant. Now let's add chopped green chilli into it. Here I am taking 2 green chillies. If it's so spicy, then add 1 green chilli. Now saute it. Let's add the mashed potatoes. Give it a good mix. After mixing, let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. If you like more spicy, then add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Let's add enough salt into it and give it a good mix. At last, add the coriander leaves. Mix it well. The stuffing is ready. Switch off the flame, let it cool. Let's move to prepare the batter. In a bowl, take 1 cup of besan flour or a gram flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of hing, enough salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix it well. Let it combine very well. Add water little by little till we get the perfect consistency. Adding water at one time, we will not get the perfect batter. So it's better to add little by little. Same way, the consistency should not be too runny nor too thick. Now it's perfect. It's done. Now let's prepare the potato balls to dip in this batter. Try to make a lemon size potato balls by using your palms, as I am showing here. Now it's ready. Let's dip this potato balls in this batter. Once the oil is heated, let's drop this potato balls into the oil. Keep the flame in a medium. Drop the balls one by one. Not to worry if it stick each other. While flipping, it will be okay. Now let's cook this for up to 4 to 5 minutes or till it turns to golden in color. Cook them in a medium flame. Now it's perfectly cooked, golden in color. Get them out. Let's serve this. There is, friends, a perfect smooth aloo bonda. Enjoy this great appetizer with coconut chutney or with a plain ketchup. Do try at home and do comments below. Do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.